Merry Christmas, guys. For all my 28 subscribers in like 3 week span. Thanks for following. Thanks for subscribing. Means the world. You guys are awesome. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Hope you enjoy it. And I'm going to be working on the car. I got to dip down to Ottawa for a minute to do some family stuff. Then I'm going to come back and I will get back to work and show you guys what I'm up to. What do you want? I'm trying to get this done. What? Is there a rope over there or something? There you go. Here. Yeah, go over there and get it. Okay. I gotta talk here. Let me do this. Alright, I got a bit of a cold and I got major brain fog going on, so I wrote down some notes so I can get through this. There is the infamous heater. Sorry. If you can hear that, sorry. If you can't, ignore me. If you like these videos, subscribe, like, if you just do it, because it really helps the channel, helps me out. I just started this channel, so give me a push and I'll keep doing this, behind me, 1974 Super Beetle. This was, if you're following the channel, this was at my parents' house when I started the channel. Plans have changed. My father obviously got sick of this car just sitting in his garage. He wanted the space, so I said to myself, okay, plans are on hold with the 69. I'll get it back out of the driveway and move it out, to the side driveway. And then the 74 came here the other day. We threw it in the garage, and I've just been kind of going over it as I'm dealing with this brain fog cold thing. But basically, yeah, I'm slowly going to be tearing this apart, taking the body off the floor pan, and blah, blah, blah. So pretty excited for that. Moving forward with the 74, I'm going to start separating the fenders and the headlights and taillights. I have to separate those harnesses in order to take the fenders off, and then the fenders I'm just going to hang up on the wall for now, and then I'm going to start tackling the dual carburetor kit. I have to remove it in order to I can't get the body off without doing that. So that'll be my next thing, and then yeah, anything else I'm missing in between there. But essentially this car is here now. It's home. It's staying here until it's done. The heater channels are already here. I think I'm gonna put floor pans in it too, because why not? It's already separated. These are a little bit tough. This car was redone a while ago, but it was never really taken care of, in my opinion. So now that I have it, it will be stored inside and washed every time I use it. If you know me, I'm very meticulous with my stuff. My previous builds are pretty wild. I've just never really... Sorry, my previous build spent like $150,000 on a truck. If you know me, it was a nasty truck. I had 28-inch wheels on there, some airbags, and yeah, it was pretty ballin'. But now I'm going to the Beetle. No, Beetles are in my family. I've always loved them. Naturally, this is what I should be doing. I've been slowly getting more and more into working on stuff myself. I'm not a mechanic, but I'm just going to give everything I can a whirl and see what happens, because everybody I talk to, they're like, oh, don't do that, don't do that, don't do... I mean, just go for it. Just try it and see what happens. So, yeah, stick along for the ride. 74, fenders are coming off very shortly. All this Christmas, New Year's, me getting sick, really put a halt on a couple plans. And then the 74 coming here, like everything got thrown up in the air and all mixed up. So sorry for the little bump in the road, but we're gonna keep going. And yeah, good talk, guys. See you out there.